Hi, I wanted to show you, yes, you can set up your ThriveCart to show up on your website. So I embed my courses inside of WordPress. I can show you guys right here with Course Coach GPT. And so inside of WordPress, there is the ThriveCart embedded. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see the cart is embedded down here. This is my newest course. It's just right inside the sales page. It's right inside of ThriveCart, which makes it great. It's right inside of WordPress, which makes it great. I love to make shopping cart sales pages that are one step whenever possible, because the more clicks, the more potential for people to get lost in the sales process. This could be because if they click over and they think they may have ended up on the wrong site or it's somehow suspicious to them, they may not buy. If they click and they're just not quite ready, that they might get like lost in that click. They might not actually go through that process. If this is fast, it gets them through quickly, they might be more likely to make that purchase. Like everything that can slow them down, every extra click can create, doubt in the process. It can allow them to get distracted and leave. So we want to make this as easy as possible. So that's one of the reasons why I love to have this cart embedded. And it was one of the reasons why I loved ThriveCart to start with. And I still love ThriveCart, but I don't use their sales pages inside of ThriveCart anymore, because I do want to have it on my page. It's a good way to kind of mitigate risk in case anything ever happened to ThriveCart. I really don't think that's a worry right now, because they've got a whole new team working really hard to make ThriveCart better, which is giving me, so much confidence to back ThriveCart even more through my own promotions. But it's a nice way to kind of mitigate any risk in any particular system. And also I'm able to do SEO on my own pages and get that traffic to my site. So another thing I do on my sales pages lately is I'm testing out having the banner across the top for more trust and for more comfort in knowing this is through my brand. So I like to do all of that, and I'm going to show you essentially really quickly show you the WordPress backend of this. It's very easily created. This is with Gutenberg, which is the builder inside of WordPress, and I use Kadence as my theme. And so let me show you that real quick. Okay, I'll click edit page here, take us into the WordPress editor, where these are different sections of Gutenberg options. And if you click this little 3-line here, you can see the overview of what I have. So this is with Gutenberg, and there is a plugin, or there's a plugin for Kadence, and I'll look that up for you and I'll put it in the description below. But there is a plugin that you can get that adds these extra options, these extra widgets that you can use on your page. So I use this section one, and inside of that you can see there's just spacing and all of this, so that you can see the whole thing, and then you can compact it to have a look. You can also combine a lot of this stuff, but I haven't done that, to just make this your managing of your page easier. But this section, and then I use full width, and that makes the banner like right across the page. So this is where I go, and then you just use an HTML block. A lot of it's really just text. Like this is all pretty simple, right? Like, and when I click on it, it shows you it's a paragraph, like it's just the different sections of the WordPress. And then as I go all the way down, this is an HTML, and you embed your ThriveCart into there. So let me show you inside of ThriveCart. I did get a question about affiliates. Will affiliates still get credit, commissions if you put it on your site? And yes, absolutely they will. Back over here inside of ThriveCart, if you go into your edit, what you want to make sure you do is inside of the affiliate section, you're going to make sure to link to the page you've created on your site. So when I go over to affiliates, I'm going to go into edit affiliate options, and this is where I'm putting the link, course Coach GPT. So if we take a look and we go to the page, you'll see this is the same URL. So we're pasting the URL into ThriveCart to make sure that they're directed to the proper place. Then there will be a cookie sent. Affiliates will absolutely get their commission, because I know this because I'm selling through my site and it works, and affiliates 100% do get their commission for that. All right, so that's how that works.